Hey everyone, this is Nick with Rogue Overland, and I'm going to take you through our installation and initial thoughts on the LASFIT LED headlights. So driving a 2001 Nissan Xterra, our headlights are clearly outdated. A lot of the trips that we do, we're doing 7, 8, 9 hours to get to an area that we want to explore, and oftentimes that driving is early in the morning or late at night. So LASFIT reached out, offered to let us try out these LED headlights, and we're really excited about the extra light that it should put out on the road. All right, let's head over, open up this package, see what they look like, and see how easy they are to install. So right off the bat, packaging looks pretty nice. Got the product manual. Who needs that though, right? And then here we go. Wiring looks pretty sturdy. Got the cooling fan built right into the back of the LED housing. Looks pretty solid. Came packaged real nice. I mean, even if the shipping was pretty rough, these should make it in one piece. So far looks pretty good. Let's get in and see how the install goes. All right, should be pretty straightforward here. Let's see. Looks like we're gonna squeeze, get the plug off of there. Pop that retainer clip off. Give it a little pull. Out comes the original bulb. There doesn't seem to be any difference between the left or the right. The markings on the LASFIT LED headlights are the same on both sides. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, just had to get it lined up. Yeah, it's a snug fit, which is good. We don't want the bunch of dust and crap getting in there, so far so good. Let's see here. Now that LED does pop out. Then we can get that retainer clip back up, holding their little adapter in. And then their housing locks back in. Then this connector on this connector. Now typically I'd throw a little dielectric grease on there, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'll hit that later. And the connector does snap over. The only thing I'm noticing is the locking mechanism off of the factory harness doesn't quite snap down into the retainer on their plug. No big deal. I'll just throw a little electric tape over it and it'll hold that locking mechanism down onto it, but just something I'm noticing. And there it is. All in all, that's pretty straightforward, easy install. Alright, now I may have glazed over the instructions real quickly, and the instructions do recommend testing it out before you actually fully install it. So I've got it plugged in here, flip the lights on and off, and let's see if it activates properly. All right, looks pretty good. A couple of initial thoughts. They send it in a great package. That thing could get thrown all around, and short of it getting crushed, those headlights are going to show up and they're going to be intact. The construction and fitment seems really nice. Only issue was with that plug locking interface. No big deal. Throw some electric tape around that. The interface will catch the locking hook and everything will be fine. It's putting out more light than on the other side, so that's fantastic. And it's going to draw less power than the original halogen bulb. So when you've got an old vehicle like this, the factory alternators don't put out a lot of power, and so every little bit that you can save is great. We're really excited to get this out on the trail, get it out in the dark, see how much difference the upgraded bulbs make. Right now, we've got to get over and install that other side. So check us out on all social media avenues @Rogue Overland. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you on the trail.